The Commission, in response, unanimously accepts the findings of the Moseneke report. In particular, the Commission notes the rationale and central thesis of the report that community immunity through mass vaccination must be considered as a desirable step in the conduct of a safe, free and fair elections in the Republic.
Yize iIEC zemukela izincomo zombiko wowabe eyiphini lenhloko yamajaji Moseneke, ithi kuzofanele ifake isicelo enkantolo yezokhetho noma inkantolo yomthetho sisekelo ukuze ithole imvume yokuhlehisa ukhetho. Uma lesicelo singabi impumelelo, iziphi ezinye indlela lekhomishana engenza ngazo?
There are two options. The one is a constitutional amendment. The other one is approaching a court that has the requisite jurisdiction to grant just and equitable relief and defer elections by 4 months. The Commission has briefed council team and council team is looking at the matter.
Embikweni wakhe uMoseneke waphakamisa ukuthi impilo yabavoti abangakwazi ukubhalisa ngeinternet izobekwa engcupheni, ingakho iIEC sihlehlisele ukubhalisela ukhetho ezikhungweni zayo obekuzobanjwa ngempela sonto ezayo.
The Electoral Commission has pushed back the date of the voter registration that was scheduled for Saturday the 31st of July and Sunday the 1st of August. That is so not because we are approaching court. It is so because on the evidence of health specialists and scientists, we are in a period of high transmission.
Ngesonto eledlule lekhomishana yethula umkhankaso wokubhalisela ukhetho ngeinternet, kanti okwamanje sekubhalise abantu abangaphezulu kwe-1,000 ezilishumi. Kepha lekhomishana iyavuma ukuthi lolu hlelo lokubhalisa luseneyihibe ezimbalwa.